Wait, I'm confused. Is this a beauty tutorial or a special effects makeup tutorial? Okay, now you're just embarrassing yourself. And you're still going. Okay, now you just look like Bellatrix with a bullet in her brain. Try saying that 5 times fast. Heyo Kreepers, and welcome back to another 2-minute tutorial where we show you how to put a gunshot wound in your forehead using my nemesis, Scar Wax. So we're gonna put some mineral oil onto our fingers and use that so that the scar wax doesn't stick to our fingers, and then just put a glob of scar wax into the center of our forehead. And you want to smooth out those edges while keeping a little mound of it in the center of your forehead where the gunshot wound will actually go. So once it's smoothed out, you want to take some mineral oil and lube up your paintbrush so that it's slicker than a greased hog. And then you're just going to put that into the center of that scar wax to form your bullet hole. And then once that's done, you smooth out the edges so that it has the shape that you generally want. And then we're going to take some Nye Fresh Scab and put that in the center of the wound so that it has a more meaty texture and some depth. And once that's done, we're going to add our blood and just let it naturally drip down our face. And before you add the blood, if the scar wax doesn't match your face, you can use a foundation tone, but luckily for me it did, so I just needed to add some splatters to blend it in a little bit more and to give some realism, and then I was done. And there you have it. You've officially been shot in the noggin. You know, some people just aren't good at being sexy. I'm that person.